The court administration says it was able to dispose of a significant number of the over 10,000 outstanding traffic tickets on Wednesday. The delinquent motorists were processed during a special court initiative in St. Catherine. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
Motorist Crowd Director of Communications at the Court Administration Division CAD, Kadish Jared Fletcher, with personal queries on the outstanding traffic tickets at the St. Catherine Parish Court on Wednesday.
Behind me is one of 3 courtrooms put in place by the Court Administration Division to complement the existing 3 courtrooms here at the St. Catherine Parish Court. Now, the CAD says it was put in place to ensure that as many people as possible were able to see a judge today. Over 10,000 tickets, traffic tickets that is, are listed for today. And according to the court administration, it represents less than 5% of the actual outstanding tickets in St. Catherine.
We have a compliance challenge. This is stemming in some part from the court's side because there was a time when the system had glitches, and because of those glitches we were not issuing warrants for outstanding traffic tickets. We found that there were persons who would have paid their tickets and those tickets did not reflect that on the system.
She says the matter of paid tickets being reflected as unpaid is now resolved. Transport operator Joseph Wright.
From the last time when they did this, I paid it, but they're saying it's still showing on the system. But I'm not trying to pay everything. And right now, I look leniency from the judge because we don't have all that money, you know. But yeah, altogether, probably like 30 or less. If you minus the ones that we pay already,
How many is that?
pay about 20 already.
While we didn't get to hear the ruling on Mr. Wright's case, this man was pleasantly surprised when a judge ordered that he pay a discretionary fine for traffic tickets he was sure that he paid.
You know, system errors or glitches in the system, something like that. So
How much did you end up paying?
well, I paid $7,000 and it actually came up to $23,000, and I just paid $7,000, in which I'm still grateful.
Mrs. Jared Fletcher says the CAD empathizes with the motorists, which is why they recalled all warrants issued for a specified period.
So no warrants are going to be executed here today, but after today the warrants are going to be issued.
The outstanding traffic tickets are from February 1, 2018 and onwards. Motorists who failed to pay their tickets and missed their court dates were encouraged to register by February 20, 2026 in order to have their matters dealt with. With 2 of the country's main highways running through St. Catherine, the parish leads in the most outstanding traffic tickets. Sean DeLeon from St. Anne was issued a ticket on the highway.
And I was under the 50 and I still got a ticket exceeding 80, which was a lie.
So why you never rectified from them time?
I was supposed to the court did pass.
On location 2 was Ministry of National Security's Traffic Information Management System, TIMS team. The system tracks traffic tickets from when they're issued to being settled or disposed of. Director Emil Holgate says within the past 3 years, the system has significantly reduced the ticketing and payment errors. But that's still not stopping this motorist from clinging to his receipt.
I'm going to take a picture of it, and keep it, and I'm going to see though. And that is one of the reasons I paid with my card. If anything, I can actually go back to the bank this time. I might ask for a printout, or it might even charge more to go back to the bank right now.
Eager motorists, after paying fines, put the TIMS system to the test, checking to see if they still had outstanding traffic tickets. Mr. Holgate says the system will be updated later this evening.
Reporting from the St. Catherine Parish Court, I'm Jamaica Maitland for TVJ News.